So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. And do you like to draw? Yeah, I do too. And I have a fun thing for us to draw. Today, let's draw a duck. Not just any duck. Let's draw Declan the duck. Wow, what a cool duck. Ducks I really like because they quack. Quack, 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 quack. Yeah, and their feet, yeah, they have webbed feet so they can swim super fast. Okay, I'm gonna start with the color orange so then I can draw his beak. All right, here we go. Let's draw a line right here. Whoa, 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 just like that. Then let's draw, yeah, an arched line like that. And that is his beak. Yeah, his beak is the color orange. Ooh, and then for his head, whoa, nice big head. Ooh, and a nice little cheek right there. There we go. And let's draw his eyes, half circle, and a half circle within the half circle. And then his pupils. There we go. Let's color him in, just like that. Whoa, cute duck. All right, let's draw his neck. Then his body. Wow, his body is so big. Yeah, it looks like he's floating on the water already, right? And then let's draw a cute little tail. Yeah, the tail is a feather. One big feather. Oh, and then his wing right here. Oh, and then let's take orange again and draw his legs. Okay, one leg right here, one leg right there. And then for his feet, 1, 2, 3 lines, just like that. There we go. Whoa, what cute feet. Oh, did you know ducks don't float on top of the water by paddling their feet? Yeah, it's actually trapping air bubbles within their wings, and it keeps them nice and buoyant. Whoa, I love ducks. Hey, and I really enjoy drawing this duck with you. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Quack, 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 quack.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi, Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!